Good morning all of you. Today we will continue with the chapter. This is chapter number 3 and the name of the chapter is Story of an Invitation. Okay, so this is the story which is written by L.M. Montgomery. Okay, so in this story we will talk about two characters named as Bertha and Gracie. Okay, the full name of Bertha was Bertha Sutherland and the Gracie Maxwell. Okay, so these were the two names of the girl. Okay, they were classmates as well as they were roommates. Okay, so they were living in boarding to attend the academy. Bertha was a very bright girl. She was very pretty and she was favorite of all the classmates and teacher. But on the other hand, Grace was very grave girl. She was a very quiet girl and she always used to be very quiet. Why? Because she was all alone in this world. Okay? Because the aunt who had brought up, she has also recently died. So that is why she was feeling all alone in the world and she used to be very silent. Okay, after their terminal exam, they were having their holidays. Okay, so now what happened that Bertha has achieved an invitation and she got an invitation from Aunt Meg. The full name of Aunt Meg was Aunt Margaret. Okay, so now she was saying that Bertha and Gracie, these were the two girls, they were talking that Bertha said to Gracie that I am having a very good news. I have got a letter from Aunt Meg. She has invited me for the holidays and now I want to celebrate it. So I will invest all my spare cash, all my money in caramels, in candies, and I will give a full meal to all my classmates. Okay, so now she was saying about Aunt Meg that Aunt Meg is a very sweet lady and she was a very happy and cheerful auntie in this world. She has called me for the vacations and she is saying that she will offer me so many delicious things. For example, duff nut, mince pies, delicious cake and much more to eat. So that is why she was having very happy time at that time. Okay, now Bertha was asking from the Gracie that Gracie, what is your plan for the vacations? So Gracie replied that I will work in Clarkman bookstore until the school reopens. Okay, so now after that Bertha said that Gracie, you are not that strong that you are capable of working in Clarkman all the summer. Okay, so now Gracie was saying in a very good manner, in a very cheerful manner, that I am like a church mouse, means I have a very small identity and I can't afford to pay my board fees, right? So that is why I have to work on Clarkman shop so that I can earn some amount of money. Okay, so this is the condition that she has to work in Clarkman shop. Okay, now what happened? Bertie was little puzzled, she was little confused and she wanted to do something for sure for her friend Gracie, as she was not plumpy and rosy, neither she was a very fat girl, okay, and neither her cheeks were rosy, pinkish. Okay, so she was trying to do something for her friend Gracie. Okay, now Now suddenly an idea occurred in her mind. She got an idea that what will happen now, that she will write a confidential letter to Aunt Meg, and first of all she will thank Aunt Meg for her invitation, and after that she will told about her friend Gracie, that she is a orphan girl, and at least Bertha was having a place, her home, to go in the vacations, but Gracie was not having any home to go on her vacations because no one, she was not having anyone in this world. Okay, so that is why she was requesting Aunt Meg to call her, to invite her in place of her, because she wanted that Gracie should enjoy the holidays. Okay, so as you all know, Aunt Meg was very understanding, and after that she has invited Gracie. Okay, so after getting a letter from Aunt Meg, now Bertha was showing the letter to Gracie, that Gracie, you have got a letter from Aunt Meg, and now Aunt Meg is writing that she is calling you in place of me, and she is saying that she will treat you as a niece, means daughter of her brother and sister. Okay, or even she will treat you like me. Okay, so now what happened, that Bertha was saying all this. She was saying that I am not capable to go to Aunt Meg, but at least you should go, because if you will not go to her home, then she will feel very, very disappointed, and she will feel very sad. And as you know that I can't go to Aunt Meg, so I am requesting you that you should go to Aunt Meg home. Okay, so now Gracie was little confused, she was little puzzled and doubtful also. She was having a doubt also that whether she should go or not go. Okay, but now she thought that if she will go there, she will not have to work in Clarkman bookstore, and she has to not hard work, neither she has to do any boring work in the noise and heat of the city. So she decided to go to Aunt Meg. After some time, Bertha has received 2 letters from these 2 people. One from Aunt Meg and the other letter was from Gracie. Gracie has written that I had spent a very, very lovely time over there with Aunt Meg, and now I will always stay here. Why I will always stay here? Because now this is going to be my home. Okay, on the other hand, Aunt Meg has also written a letter, and in that letter she has written that Gracie is a very pretty girl, and as you all know that I always wanted to adopt a girl, but my greedy brothers and sister has never given one of their. So now I have adopted Grace. After reading the letter, Bertha was feeling very happy, and she was having a smile on her face. Okay, and she was having a delightful feeling that at least she has done some good thing to Gracie. Okay, so this was the story all about. Hope you have understand the story properly. Okay, so this was the story. Thank you.